Today I will discuss about the aquarium fish keeping. First, synopsis. Introduction. Types of aquaria. Third, preparation. Essential equipment for setup. Fifth, stocking fish, that is number of fishes in the tank. Introduction. The term aquarium was coined by English naturalist Philip Henry Gross in 1853. He created and stocked first public aquarium in the London Zoo, which was known as Fish House. The term aquarium was derived from two Latin words. Aqua means water and arium means a place for relating to hobby, pleasure or fun. An aquarium is a transparent tank or a bowl or an artificial pool where live fishes and other aquatic animals are kept. In other words, an aquarium is a container which displays the aquatic organisms in a simulated and natural environment, maintained to some extent by introducing aquatic plants, rocks, gravels and other artificial decoratives, etc. Closed system is maintained by regulating various biological as well as physico-chemical parameters with the aid of few equipments controlling aeration, water movement, temperature, suspended organic matter, illumination, etc. Besides feeding, the custom of fish keeping in captivity is very old. The purpose of aquarium is for keeping or raising aquatic animals, particularly fishes and plants, for research and observation. The modern interest in aquariums began in the 19th century in England, Germany and other countries. Picture for closed aquarium system. It contains air pump, draws water through air-based filter, airlift water pump, diffuser, air stone, light, reflector, hood. Now, types of aquaria. There are four types of aquaria, that is freshwater aquarium, saltwater aquarium, that is marine aquarium, brackish water aquarium and cold water aquarium. First, freshwater aquarium. This type of aquarium is easy to maintain and handle. The temperature usually ranges from 72 to 82 degree Fahrenheit. Danois, black molly, black skirt tetra, coolie, loach, platies, swordtails, beta, chichiled, gold, guppy, fighter, koi, silver dollar are some common freshwater fishes. Second, saltwater or marine aquarium. This type of aquarium requires salt water, so salt is added to the tank before water and then colorful fishes, corals, invertebrates can be kept. Marine aquarium fish species are more sensitive to water parameters. They require special diets and these fishes are not easily available in the markets and fish stores. The equipments and fish species for marine aquarium are comparatively expensive. Cora beauties, butterfly fish, watchman body, tangas, chalk bass, blennies are some fresh fishes for marine aquarium. Now, brackish water aquarium. The species for this type of aquarium are few in number. Puffer fish is the most common popular brackish water aquarium fish. This type of aquarium is least common as it is not easy to maintain. Siamese tiger fish, bubbly bee goby, that is Brachybobius species, puffer fish, that is Tetradon biosilatus, molly fish, that is Poecilus sphenops, violet goby, dragon goby, scat are some fish species for brackish water aquarium. Now, last is cold water aquarium. In cold water aquariums, the temperature should be maintained below room temperature or at least at room temperature. Goldfish is the most common gold cold water aquarium fish species. Goldfish, white clawed, bloodfin tetras are some fish species for cold water aquarium. Now, preparation of aquarium. There are several materials which are used for making aquarium. Two basic materials are used for aquarium construction. They are glass and acrylic. Glass is preferable due to reasonable cost and superior ability to resist scratches and discoloration. Aquarium tanks are mostly made of glass panels of suitable thickness framed in iron or aluminum angle with the help of bitumen. Acrylic is another popular material used for making aquarium. Nowadays, all glass aquarium which are made without metal frame are more popular. They are more attractive, leak proof and without any corrosion problem. Glass panels of such tanks are very strongly jointed together with the help of silicon rubber. In large system, concrete chambers with one or few glass panel windows are used. A fairly large size aquariums where sufficient number of fish can be accommodated and enough space is available for furnishing the plants and decorative is ideal. Glass of 5 mm thickness is normally used. There are several things which are used in the preparation of the aquarium. They are tank water, a tank cover. Second, location. It should be kept in sufficient place. A fully furnished aquarium is heavy, so it should be kept on the strong table or stand of appropriate height. A dark and eye-catching spot having electrical outlets for artificial light is preferable for viewing its beauty. Hence, a conveniently located grounded electrical receptacle is important for heater, canopy and filtration components. Under no circumstances should be any household electrical appliances be placed under or in close proximity to the aquarium. The tank should not be placed at a site where it faces direct or excess sunlight. It may cause overheating and algal growth in the tank. Avoid keeping near the windows and doors where frequent temperature changes takes place. Avoid placing aquarium near the heating and cooling ducts. It should also not placed in the trafficked areas. Tank size. It is easier to look after an aquarium of small size or mid size, such as one measuring 24 inches into 12 inches into 15 inches or 36 inches into 12 inches or 15 inches. Essential equipments for setup. First, glass or acrylic aquarium, suitable stand if appropriate. Third, gravel, that is 3 to 5 millimeter size. Fourth, filtration. There are so many types of filtration are available. Fifth, lighting. Any one of incandescent or halogen, normal output fluorescent, high output fluorescent or very high output fluorescent, power compact fluorescent, metal halide, lead. Sixth, secure lid. Seventh, siphon cleaning device. Eighth, ornaments, that is rocks and bogwoods for decoration. Ninth, plants. Plants are of two types: plants of desirable size, plastic plants, plant sinkers. 10th, heater. 11th, water conditioner or dechlorinator. 12th, thermometer. 13th, water testing kits. 14th, airline and in-line connector and control valves. 15th, air pump. 16th, air stone. 17th, hand nets. 18th, thermocol sheet. 19th, food. Stocking fish or number of fishes in tank. As a thumb rule, for a freshwater aquarium, fish require an area of 20 centimeter square per centimeter of the body length, excluding tail. A tank of 60 into 30 into 30 centimeter will have a sufficient area of 1800 centimeter, which is sufficient to hold 19 centimeter of fish. Hence, number of fishes in aquarium depends on adult size of stocking, amount of waste, swimming capacity, aggressiveness, comfortable with other fishes.